Hey, I'm Fish. I'm on a bike, the Cannondale Adventure 2. I'm shooting with the DJI Mic 2 and the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I set the camera up in Pro. Adjust the settings once and simply turn, point, and shoot. It's not an action camera and it's not a DSLR. It's a Pocket 3 to grab shots. It's not a major motion camera to do everything. It's not waterproof, IP rated to a certain extent like IPX4 or less. Doesn't have stereo sound until you add 2 external DJI mics. No electronic ND filters. It's not a dash cam. It's not a bike cam. It's the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. A camera that fits in your pocket just like that. It's your go-to camera. Everything you wanted about a Pocket 3. Shoot in 4K, 1080p, slow motion, time-lapse, hyperlapse photos. Simply leave your DSLR home. Put away your waterproof camera. Toss to the side your action cameras. So if you're not sure of what camera for you to get and what others have in their kit, then maybe a Pocket 3 is something that you would like or not. I hope you make a wise choice and decision on the camera you are after in 2024. The Pocket 3 is popular on YouTube and all over the place. There are many people out there that are still looking to get one. And on that note, I'm Fish, and I catch you on many other videos to come while I enjoy the sunrise in the bay.